Hello, incredible English learners. Welcome back to Vibe English Podcast, where we turn English into your superpower. I'm Sarah, and I'm so proud of you for rocking day 3 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. You're sounding more natural every day. Today, day 4, brings 30 new sentences, a bit more challenging, to help you chase your dreams. We're using shadowing, repeating after me to mimic native pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. It's like copying a native speaker's dance moves. Shadowing helps you pronounce words clearly, speak smoothly, build confidence to share your ideas, hear connections. Today's sentences are about goals and aspirations, perfect for motivating you. I'll say each one clearly, pause for you to repeat, and subtitles will highlight key words. Mistakes are your growth partners. Ready for day 4? Let's dive in. Here's how to shine today. Find a quiet place to speak loudly. Listen to my sentence, noticing tone. Repeat after the pause, copying my voice. Follow subtitles, highlighted words show emphasis. Have fun and repeat sentences if you like. We'll do 30 sentences to push your skills. Let's start. Each sentence is said 3 times with 3-second pause. 1. I have big dreams. I have big dreams. I have big dreams. 2. I set clear goals. I set clear goals. I set clear goals. 3. I work with passion. I work with passion. I work with passion. 4. I learn every day. I learn every day. I learn every day. 5. I achieve great things. I achieve great things. I achieve great things. 6. I plan my future. I plan my future. I plan my future. 7. I stay focused always. I stay focused always. I stay focused always. 8. I try new challenges. I try new challenges. I try new challenges. 9. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. 10. I grow with effort. I grow with effort. I grow with effort. Awesome. Let's move to sentences about your goals. 11. I study for my exams. I study for my exams. I study for my exams. 12. I save money weekly. I save money weekly. I save money weekly. 13. I read inspiring books. I read inspiring books. I read inspiring books. 14. I work on my skills. I work on my skills. I work on my skills. 15. I chase my ambitions. I chase my ambitions. I chase my ambitions. 16. I talk about my dreams. I talk about my dreams. I talk about my dreams. 17. I write my goals daily. I write my goals daily. I write my goals daily. 18. I practice with purpose. I practice with purpose. I practice with purpose. 19. I explore new opportunities. I explore new opportunities. I explore new opportunities. 20. Succeed step by step. Succeed step by step. Succeed step by step. You're unstoppable. Now, longer sentences for fluency. 21. I set goals to improve my life. I set goals to improve my life. I set goals to improve my life. 22. I work hard to achieve success. I work hard to achieve success. I work hard to achieve success. 23. I feel excited about my future. I feel excited about my future. I feel excited about my future. 24. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. 25. I share my dreams with friends. I share my dreams with friends. I share my dreams with friends. 26. I practice English to grow stronger. I practice English to grow stronger. I practice English to grow stronger. 27. I am confident in my abilities. I am confident in my abilities. I am confident in my abilities. 28. I plan carefully for big results. I plan carefully for big results. I plan carefully for big results. 29. I overcome challenges with effort. I overcome challenges with effort. I overcome challenges with effort. 30. I am proud of my journey so far. I am proud of my journey so far. I am proud of my journey so far. You crushed 30 sentences. Fantastic. Here are tips to keep growing. Record yourself. Try sentence 27. I am confident in my abilities compared to mine. Repeat tomorrow. Practice these sentences again for fluency. Stay positive. Mistakes are steps forward. Keep going. Interactive challenge. Pause and say sentence 30. I am proud of my journey so far. 3 times to a friend or mirror. How does it sound? Share in the comments. Also tell us what's one goal you're chasing with English. I'll reply to motivate you. You've conquered day 4 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. These 30 sentences are powering your confidence and fluency. Shadowing is your tool to chase your dreams, whether it's acing a test, landing a job, or inspiring others. Every word you speak moves you forward. Hard work always pays off, and you're shining brighter every day. Meet me tomorrow for day 5, our grand finale with 30 new sentences. Subscribe, hit the bell, and comment your favorite sentence or English goal below. Let's make Vibe English Podcast a community of dream chasers. Keep practicing, keep shining, and see you tomorrow. You're a star.